Hi children, now let's do some subtraction. Subtraction of two-digit numbers. You like doing subtraction? What is subtraction? Take away. Take away. Yes, it's very interesting subtraction, isn't it? Good. So we are going to do some sums. Subtraction of two-digit numbers, and I hope you will enjoy doing it. Good. Let's look at our first sum. Look what's given to you. In subtraction, we should be careful. The numbers are arranged according to ones and tens. You have 66 minus 32. You have to subtract the ones first. In the ones place, you have 6 ones minus 2 ones. So you take 6, from 6, take away 2. Okay? When from 6, if you take away 2, you count from 2 to 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is that? Yeah, you get 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. From 6, take away 2, 4. Yes, very good. So 6 minus 2 is 4. You get 4 ones. Okay, good. Now let's go to the tens place. Again, we have here 6 minus 3. The number 3 is small. Count up to 6 and see how many you get. 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So you have 3 tens and 4 ones. 66 minus 32 gives you the answer 3 tens, 4 ones. Yes? Simple subtraction. Good. Shall we take another sum and enjoy doing our subtraction? Yes. Good. Look at this. You are given 49 minus 34. Ones, tens, 49. Let's take the ones place first, minus, then go to 10. 9 ones minus 4 ones. So from 9 ones, you have to take away 4 ones. Count from 4 to make it up to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 5. Okay? So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay? So now you have 5 ones in the ones place. In the tens place, let's see. 4 tens minus 3 tens. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 10. So your answer is 110. So 49 minus 34 gives you the answer 15. 110, 5 ones. Did you enjoy? Let's take another sum. Good. See what's given to you. You're given 59 minus 13. 59 minus 13. Let's work on the ones place first. 9 ones, take away. 9 1 minus 3 ones. 9 ones minus 3 ones. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the number? 6. 9 minus 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. So we put the 6 ones down here. Let's go to the tens. In the tens place, we have 5 minus 1 or 5 take away 1. What is 5 take away 1? 4. Yes. 5 minus 1 gives you 4. So you have 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer is 4 tens. 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 tens. 59 minus 13 gives you 4 tens, 6 ones, 46. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another new sum. Look, 55 minus 35. From 55, take away minus 35. Let's go to the ones place. 5 minus 5. 5 take away 5. 5 take away 5 gives you 0. So you put 0 in the ones place. 5 take away 3. How many left? 5 take away 3 and you are left with 2. So your answer is 2 tenths. 55 minus 35 gives you the answer 20. That is 2 tenths. Did you enjoy subtraction? Good. Let's go to a new sum. 92. Take away 31. 92 minus 31. In the ones place you have 2 and 1. From 2 minus 1. Okay, from 2 take away 1. From 2 take away 1 gives you 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Yes? Good. From 2 minus 1 is 1. From 9 take away 3. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. From 9 you take away 3, you get you 6. 92 minus 31 gives you the answer 61, 6 tenths, 1, 1. Did you enjoy subtraction of two-digit numbers? Let's look at another new sum. 58. From 58 minus 25. 58 take away 25. What is the answer? In the ones place you have 8 and 5. 8 take away 5. 8 minus 5. 5. From 5 count down. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 8 minus 5? 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now you have here 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. How many left? 3. So you get 3 here. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 58 minus 25 gives you the answer 33. 3 tenths, 3 ones. Okay? Good. Did you enjoy? Let's go on to another new sum. 69 minus 21. 69 minus 21. 69 take away 21. In the one place you have 9 take away 1. You have 9 and you take away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. How many is that? 8. 8, 9 take away 1 gives you 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Good. Here you have 6, take away 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 69, take away 21 gives you the answer 4 tenths, 8 ones. 48. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another sum. Yes, here we are. 22 take away 11. 22 minus 11. 2 minus 1. 2 take away 1. 2 take away 1. 1. So you get 1, 1 here. Good. Again 2 take away 1. 1 again. So you put 2 tenths, take away 1 tenth. Answer 1. Good. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 22 minus 11 is answer. Your answer is 11. 22 take away 11 gives you the answer 11 itself. 10, 1 10 and 1 1. Did you enjoy, children? Look, let's get on with a new sum. Yes. 94 minus 30. 94 take away 30. In the ones place we have 4 ones, 0 1. 4 take away 0. 4 minus 0 is 4 itself. 4 minus 0 is 4 itself. So we write the 4 down in the ones place. 4 minus 0, 4. Good. 9 minus 3. What is 9 minus 3? 9 take away 3, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we write 6 here. 94 minus 30 gives you the answer 64. That is 6 tens, 4 ones. Did you enjoy? Shall we look at another new sum? Good. 55 take away 30. 55 minus 30. 5 ones minus 0 1. 5 ones minus 0 1 gives you the answer 5 itself. 5 ones. There? Now, so we write 5 here in the ones place. 5 minus 0 is 5 itself. 5 minus 3 is, here it is 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 take away 3, you get 2. So, 55 take away 30 gives you the answer 25. That is 2 tens, 5 ones. Did you enjoy? Yes, subtraction of two-digit numbers? Good.